Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now students, we are starting our exercise 9.1 question number 6, and the question number 6 is the shadow of a pole measured from the foot of the pole is 2.8 meter long. If the distance from the tip of the shadow to the tip of the pole is 10.5 meter, then find the length of the pole. Now according to our figure, now look at the figure. If we are looking toward the figure, they are saying that the shadow of the pole measured from the foot of the pole. This is the pole, and the shadow become on this. They're saying the tip of the pole and the shadow becomes 10.5. Tip of the shadow to the tip of the pole is 10.5 meters. And in the previous line, they are saying that the foot of the pole is 2.8 meter long. This distance is 2.8 meter long. Now you have to find this side, and according to our question, this becomes the altitude, and by using the Pythagoras theorem you have to solve this question. Clear? Now coming to our question number 7. In question number 7, the question is, if A, B, C are the lengths of the sides of a triangle ABC, then tell which of the following triangle are not right angle triangle. Any of angle A, angle B and angle C may be right angle. A, B, C, 3 lengths are given to you. Now you have to tell it's a right angle triangle or not. How to prove this? First of all, you are using the Pythagoras theorem by using Pythagoras theorem, and we are using here the Pythagoras theorem. A square plus B square is equal to C square, because lengths are given in A, B and C. Clear? Our C square is equal to A square plus B square. Clear? Now putting the value in place of A, 6, in the place of B, 5, and in the place of C we are putting value 7. Now it becomes 36, 25 and 49. Now by adding this, it becomes 61 and it becomes 49. Both sides are equal? No, these are not equal. So it is not right angle triangle. If the triangle is a right angle triangle, then both the sides become equal. So it is not right angled triangle. Clear? Now coming to the second point. Now this is the second part. By using Pythagoras theorem, and the Pythagoras theorem is A square plus B square is equal to C square. A square, 8 square plus 9 square is equal to 145. Square root is the value of C and square. It becomes 64 plus 81 is equal to, square and square root will be cancelled, 145. When we add up these values, it becomes 145 is equal to 145. When they both are becoming equal, so it is right angle triangle. Clear? अगर दोनों साइड्स इक्वल आ जाएंगी, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर और सी स्क्वायर दोनों की वैल्यूज़ इक्वल आ जाएं, तो आपका ट्रायंगल जो है वो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल होगा. अगर नहीं आएंगी तो आपका ये ट्रायंगल जो है वो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल नहीं होगा. नाउ दिस इज़ द थर्ड पार्ट. यू हैव टू सॉल्व बाय योरसेल्फ. A is equal to 12, B 5 and C 13. You have to prove if both the sides answer become equal, then it is right triangle, otherwise it is not. Clear? Now question number 8. Now question number 8. In a right angle triangle ABC with height C and side A and B, find the unknown lengths. A is 60 cm, C is 61 cm. Now you have to find the side B. Now by using the Pythagoras theorem again, as like this, When we are taking the square of 60, it becomes 3600 plus b square is equal to 3721. अब आप इसको दूसरी साइड पे मूव करवाएंगे. 3721 minus 3600. Now it become b square is equal to, when you subtract this, 121. By taking square root we get a b is equal to 11 and the answer is in centimeter. Clear? Now students, look at this part. b is equal to 10 meter, a is equal to 4 square root 5 meters and c you have to find by using Pythagoras theorem. a square plus b square is equal to c square. a is this. लाइक अब जब आप इसका स्क्वायर लेंगे तो 4 का स्क्वायर आपके पास 16 आएगा, बट 5 आपके पास एज इट इज़ आ जाएगा बिकॉज स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट विल बी कैंसल्ड. क्लियर? तो ये आपके पास 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 बन जाएगा. इसका आप स्क्वायर लेंगे 100 आ जाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ अब आप इसकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. 16 को 5 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके लिख एंड इट बिकम 80 प्लस 100 equal to c square. Now it becomes 180 is equal to c square. Now taking square root, लिखने आप अपनी कन्वीनियंस के लिए लिखना चाहते हैं तो आप लिख लें, नहीं भी आप लिखते तो doesn't matter. By taking square root 180 is equal to c square, and as you know that we are using calculator here, so taking the square root, yes, square root 180 is equal to 13.4 which is equal to c centimeter. Clear? बट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बुक, अगर बुक के अकॉर्डिंग देखा जाए तो आपका पीछे जो बुक की बैक पे आंसर आता है वो 6 स्क्वायर रूट 5 आता है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे मीटर आएगा. सॉरी स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज मीटर इज़ आवर यूनिट. सो बुक पे आपका ये आंसर आ रहा है. वो किस तरह से आएगा, यहाँ से आप इसकी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे, देन योर आंसर बिकम्स लाइक दिस. आप ये भी लिख देंगे तो आपका करेक्ट आंसर है, ये भी लिख देंगे तो आपका आंसर करेक्ट होगा. Some parts are for you. You have to do the practice of these questions. Now look at these parts. Now these are the 4 parts which you have to solve yourself. A B find करना है, इसमें भी B find करना है, इसमें आपने C फाइंड करना है और इसमें आपने A फाइंड करना है. क्लियर? उसी मेथड से पाइथागोरस थ्योरम को यूज़ करते हुए आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर एक्सरसाइज 9.1. नाउ वी आर कमिंग टुवर्ड आवर 9.2 in our next lecture. Thanks students.